Hi, this is Isaac at Summit Auto and Cycle. I'm going to shoot a short video of this 2014 Toyota Sienna Mobility Works rear engine conversion, and just to show how the operation is. So we'll open it up there. Mobility Works uses this latch system. Pull the latch and pull down on the ramp. And just to show you, I mean, it's probably weighs about 15 pounds. You can lift it with one finger, I guess. It's a 33-inch wide ramp. Once you get inside, see that the rails are actually in a little bit on the ramp. So once you're inside, you actually have 37 inches. And then the length of the channel is 5 feet from here to here. So you lose a little bit where the seat bracket is and a little bit where this seat belt thing is. So, and to fold the ramp up, just lift up on the handle here. It's a folding ramp. You give it a shove to latch it in on both sides. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.